Now let's see this one other way of finding out the limits. So whenever you have a fraction like like this, then I told you that factorization method is going to work, but then we are going to use other method as well, which is called as L'Hospital's rule. So sometimes it is, some people will call it as L'Hopital, and some people will say it as L'Hospital. So whatever you are comfortable with, you can go with that. So before looking at it, let's look at something called as indeterminate forms. So whenever you get the answer as 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity or 0 into infinity or infinity minus infinity or 0 power infinity or 1 power infinity or infinity power 0, whenever you substitute the limit in the expression, then all those forms are called as indeterminate forms. Now how to deal with them? One way is factorization, which we have seen. Other way is L'Hospital rule. Okay. Now coming to L'Hospital rule, what we are going to do is we should keep on differentiating the numerator and denominator till 0 by 0 or all infinity by infinity form is removed. See this, differentiate numerator and denominator till 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity is removed. Okay. Now, what I mean to say is, if you are going to get limit x tends to a f of x by g of x equal to 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity, then differentiate the numerator and denominator one time and try to apply again the limit x tends to a, right? And again you see that 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity is not there. In case if it is again 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity, you keep on doing the same. Got it? So we are going to apply only for 0 by 0 and infinity by infinity. Even though all these are indeterminate forms, we are going to use this for only these two forms. Okay. Now coming to this, let's take this example. Limit x tends to 2 x square minus 4 by x minus 2. Now using factorization method, what we can do is, okay, why should we go for factorization method is, if you try to substitute x equal to 2 over here, you are going to get 4 minus 4 and 2 minus 2, which is nothing but 0 by 0 form, right? So in order to eliminate that 0 by 0 form, sometimes we can use factorization method. So what does factorization method say? Write the numerator in terms of the factors and then see if it is a multiple. If it is so, cross it off. See this, x square minus 4 can be written as x minus 2 into x plus 2. Now you can cross out these two. What is remaining? X plus 2. Now you can write limit x tends to 2 x plus 2, which will be 4. Got it? Now using L'Hospital rule, what we could do is, instead of going with that factorization method, whenever you see 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity form, see it is already in 0 by 0 form, you try to differentiate the numerator and denominator. And what is the differentiation of this? With respect to s, you have to do it, x, right? So d by dx of x square minus 4 d by dx of x square minus 4 is equal to 2x. In general, d by dx of x power n is going to be n into x power n minus 1, right? So d by dx of x square is going to be 2x. Therefore for this one 2x, and d by dx of 4 is going to be 0. Why? It is a constant. So whenever you differentiate a constant, there will be no change, therefore it is 0. Okay. Now what about this one? D by dx of x is 1. So it is 2x by 1. Now you substitute x in place of x 2. Then what are you going to get? 4. Got it? Okay. In order to solve the questions in this topic, you are supposed to know these rules, and some of them you can derive anyway using L'Hospital for rule, but then it is better if you can remember most of these rules. Okay, so what you can do is pause the video, just write down all the properties. We shall go on to the problems where we shall see the applications. Okay, fine, you can pause it and write it. Okay.